inhaling. Okay, right? Inhaling. Stay. That's enough. You should have touched everything. Okay, you can fly. You can fly. Some of you can fly. Others can observe. But when I see, okay, same thing. Okay, same thing. Same thing. Stay. Come on, speak like this. Yes, spinal cord. Up, breathe in. Maximum. Not here, like this. Yes. Force. Spinal cord, medulla oblongata. Yes. Down, breathe out. Very nice. Up. Hold for a while. I said man, hold for a while. Down, breathe out. Up. Down. Very good. Up. Down. Up. Down. Complete middle and spinal cord. Up. Then you come to down. Up. Very good. Apply force. Go dead flow. Down. Now dead flow. Be there for a while. Look at the sky. Breathe or breathing. Very good. Very good. Stomach full, body full, part full, cell full, everything full. Down without slowly. Very nice. Maximum down. Maximum down. Up. Breathing. Dead flow. Be there for a while. Down. Very good. You are recharging the entire brain spinal cord system. Up. Breathing. Maximum. Be there for a while. Down. Very good. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Maximum. Be there. Down. 0. Wait for a while. 0. Up. Breathe in. Very nice. Down. Up. Dead slow. Again dead slow. Come on down slowly. Maximum slowly. Maximum slowly. Slow. 0. Come on. Up. Breathe in. Maximum. Down. Up. Down. Up. Breathe in. Down. Take full air. Down. Up. Down. There should not be space in between the hands. Up. Down. Up. Maximum. Down. Up. Down. Very good. Relax. Wonderful. See, you are expanding lots of your physique, height and age and weight. Yes. That leg itself is a seat. And that. Marwati. Yeah. Right. No. Your leg. Okay. Come on, ready? Come on. What I mean, Ulala Chasa, pressing. Okay, come on, breathing. Up. Very nice. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Good, other leg. Very nice. Good. Other leg. Come on. Ready? Yes. Come on. Check yourself. Relax. Come on. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Relax. Like this. Say woo. Woo. Come on. Woo. pressing. Do not press the nose too much. Do not press the nose too much. Okay, it's enough. 5 times. 5 times. Very good. 5 times. Very good. 5 times. Here, see. Very good. Very good. Go to the other one. Next item, there itself. Come on. We are recharging complete head, skull. Slow pranayama. Come on. Take full air. Come on. Kal bolna. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Do it 5 times. Very powerful. Close your eyes. Count yourself. Five times count yourself. Extend the swara. Extend it. Maximize. Lengthen it. Okay. Great. Sorry, there's a word for there. Okay. Now thyroid. Okay. The tongue must touch the palate. Okay. बोलते. La बोलते. La. Come on. Larynx, what you call pharyngeal region. Okay, flame is obstructed here. All right, flame is obstructed here. Close the mouth and say, not lips, not be careful, not a lip. It's ma. Okay, this is na, this is a. Okay, like it now. Andar, बोलते नहीं.
So we can breathe in.
Wait. Breathe. Complete well. बोलते नहीं. बोलते. Come on. Yes. 5 times. Okay, nice. One more, most powerful, Jalandhar Bandha. Okay, most powerful. Repeat all of you. Very powerful. Okay. Connecting trunk and head. Breathe in. Okay. The chin must touch the chest. Okay. You will not have any sort of problem here. What is called Vishuddha Chakra. Okay. Full air. Breathe in. Come on. Very good. Yes. 5 times. 5 times. Take full air. Take it up. Full air and go down. Here itself you can exploit, like a child bend down, take complete air, mouthful, cheek full, then say this sound so that eyes and ears and nose get energized. Come on, take full air, bend, come on, bend. Yes, like this. Yes, come on, do. Yes, move along. That's fine. 5 times, bend maximum. Very nice. 5 times. So comfortable, bend maximum forward. अपन भूल गए. Come on. Take back the air. Go now. Complete vibration get. Come on, feel the difference? You get complete vibration of the body. Feel the difference? Correct. Come on. Yes. Cry nicely.